Have you ever wondered if you could get a teacher who visualizes you concept while self-studying? Introducing mymagicpencil.com. Here is an example for depth-first search, explained by this magical pencil.
Let's explore depth-first search, or DFS. It's an algorithm for traversing a tree or graph. The main idea is simple. Go as deep as possible down one path before looking at any others. We'll start at the root node A. We visit A and then pick a branch to go down. Let's go left. Now at B, we don't explore its siblings yet. We continue going deeper. We visit D. Now, D is a leaf node, so we can't go any deeper down this path. This is the key step. We backtrack to the last node that had an unexplored path, which is B. From B, we visit its other child, E. E is also a leaf. All of B's children have been visited, so we backtrack again, this time all the way to A. Now that we're back at A, we can finally explore its other branch. We visit C, and following the rule, we go deeper down its path.
Here is the answer that it taught, which we can copy as text. We can continue asking more questions for clarifications with normal, detailed, and summary mode. By default, it is auto. We can choose from vast variety of languages, like Spanish and even regional. We can export our video instantly to our local system as well. Here, we can see our conversation's history, and even on the chat panel, we can re-watch the explanation whenever required to revise the concepts.
Let's explore depth-first search, or DFS. It's an algorithm for traversing a tree or graph.
Let's see quick videos of our AI teacher, My Magic Pencil. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please do share your feedback. We will come to you soon. mymagicpencil.com